Changing a first conditional clause to a WH or how question is one of the most important English grammar points which every English learner must be familiar with completely. In this lesson, I'm going to teach this important English point completely and through useful English sentences. The most important English WH or how questions are going to be explained in this lesson. Hope you will enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Let's start. Our first WH is what. If I save my money, I will buy a new car next year. I'd like to make a question, a new car. You know, car is a thing and WH for things is what. A new car is removed and changes to what. What will you buy next year if you save your money? Can I keep if at the beginning? Yes. If you save your money, what will you buy next year? Can I change if part to a WH or how question? Never, ever. Now I'd like to make a question about the verb, and WH for verbs is what. Example, you will go swimming if the water isn't freezing. We want to make a question about go swimming. Go swimming is a verb. It changes to what. You say what will you, your verb changes to do. What will you do if the water isn't freezing? Or if the water isn't freezing, what will you do? This time, who? Linda will get married to David if her father accepts. We want to make a question about David. David is a person and WH for a person is who. David is removed, changes to who. Who will Linda get married to if her father accepts? David will move to Germany in July if he graduates. Germany, a place. It changes to where. Where will David move to in July if he graduates? How many? You know, how many is for countable and plural nouns. If mom agrees that we'll invite 10 guests to the party, 10 is a number and guest is a countable noun. So 10 changes to how many? How many guests will dad invite to the party if mom agrees? How much? You know, how much is used for uncountable nouns. We will order some pasta if dad comes home tonight. Some. And here pasta is uncountable. So you have to use how much. How much pasta will you order if dad comes home tonight? Which? If they study hard, they will be accepted at Hudson College. I'd like to make a question about the name of this college. I mean Hudson. Hudson is removed and changes to which? Which college will they be accepted at if they study hard? How? You know, how is used for adjectives and adverbs. I'd like to use it for an adverb. If there is no traffic, Mary will drive very quickly. Quickly is your adverb. Very quickly is removed and changes to how. How will Mary drive if there is no traffic? If there is no traffic, how will Mary drive? What kind of? You know, it is used to ask about the kind of something, the sort or the type of something. If mom is not at home, they will watch a scary movie. Scary is a kind of movie. It is removed and changes to what kind of? What kind of movie will they watch if mom is not at home? If mom is not at home, what kind of movie will they watch? What time? When? They ask about time. Mary will leave work at 5 if the manager accepts. At 5, at his time. It is removed and changes to when, what time. When will Mary leave work if the manager accepts? What time will Mary leave work if the manager accepts? If the manager accepts, when will Mary leave work? If the manager accepts, what time will Mary leave work? By the way, don't forget to watch our previous lessons if you'd like to learn how to make a first conditional clause, how to change it to a negative form, and how to change it to a yes-no question form. Good luck.